how to paint a realistic cityscape at sunset using ArtistAssistApp. Open ArtistAssistApp.com in your web browser and press the Start Now button. Select colors from whatever brand you have on hand. Import a reference photo. See your image with the grid over it. Then draw that grid on your paper, and it will help you get your correct proportions. If you don't want to draw at all, you can get an outline of your photo. Print it out and trace it on paper. Study tonal values to learn how to create contrast and depth in your paintings. Balancing tonal values is as important as accurate color mixing. Smooth your photo to reduce detail and focus on the big shapes and proportions. If you like to paint more impressionistically, you have to simplify the reference photo. No more squinting your eyes to blur your reference. Just click or tap anywhere on the photo, and the app will show you the color in the photo and how to mix it with your paints. Save instructions for mixing your favorite colors so you can quickly access them using the palette tool. There is a separate palette for each reference photo. In color swatch mode, all the colors in the palette are stacked on top of each other and displayed next to the photo. Try ArtistAssistApp now to improve your painting and drawing skills and create stunning artworks. Learn more at ArtistAssistApp.com.